Hello everyone, welcome to FunTech. In this video, we're gonna see how to edit a photo background like a professional using Microsoft PowerPoint. This is just an example before starting a video. This particular image turns into this. This image, we're removing a background and turns like this into this. Right? If you are a new subscriber, please click on red color subscribe button below and black notification. Also, please watch until end of this video so that you will not miss any further details. Let's start doing a practical. To remove photo background means editing a photo, we have two options in PowerPoint. First option, which is set transparent color, which is very straightforward option. You can convert your image, means removing a background in a single click. And this is much efficient for very simple photos where you don't have multiple color, multiple tones of backgrounds, right? For example, you can take this picture, it's there. Either it can be a camera image or can be downloaded image. I paste it in a PowerPoint slide. I'm selecting that object, means that picture, going to an option called format, right? You can see option color. In that, go down. These are for different to see the picture. You can do some editing here instead of going to Photoshop. But yes, now we're gonna see set transparent color. This is the option. You can see set transparent color. Just click on that. Go to that particular image where you want to remove a background. Just click on that background. At a one click, your complete background is removed. It's like this picture turns like this, right? Same way, let's try on the other one. Just click, go to format, color, set transparent color, click where you don't want your background, and there you go. One thing, as I said, it will work only for very simple pictures, and these both option will not work for zip, which is animated images or something. So just that's additional info to you. If you are going with some complex images, for example, if you go to convert like this and you are trying to edit it, it will turn like this. Something like awkward, it will not be very proper, or it will not actually convert into it. See, this image is having some shadow, some different colors, some here and there. That is not uniform image. So that your conversion is also be not uniform. Same way, this picture I turn to convert, but yes, it is not uniform. So you are not getting a proper image as you expected to remove your background, right? There comes the good option, remove background, the option number 2, which will help us to do the same operation effectively. Means removing your background very effectively for a complex images. Same way, I've taken the same picture which I tried to do through set transparent, which was not helping me. Now I'm going to use background remove, means remove background to do the same function. Let's see how it will work, right? Select that image, go to format, and left top corner you can see an option called remove background. Click on that. There you can see mark area to keep, mark area to remove, discard all changes, keep changes, right? By default, it is giving you option like it selected your image, which are all in pinkish color, gonna remove from that image now, right? For example, if I give keep change, then you will see this image like this. But in this, you miss some part of your lower body of your photo. Here, your hands are cut, right? So I'm undoing it, going to use the same option, format, remove background, and I'm selecting mark area to keep, okay? So now it's simple as that. You are going to draw the parts which are all you needed. So I'm selecting it. It's not necessary that you have to select very appropriate. Approximate drawing is well good. So I need these particular parts. So I'm doing it, right? Same way here. And the middle part of my dress is not covered, so that also we needed, right? Now almost we got this picture very perfect clear. Something is missing here, so I'm adding it, right? Now my picture is ready, so I'm giving keep changes. So your entire background turns removed, and you can see this picture completely without background. Wherever you can insert with a new background, it fits to you. Similar way I removed for few examples. You can see here this image I removed background and turns this. If you are drawing it as smooth as you draw, you will get a better picture, better quality, right? You can do this changes for any of your photos. Instead of doing you, if you are not having a Photoshop and you wanted to do a change, this is well good and it will be more helpful, especially when you supposed to give passport size photo to someone where they want particular background. This helps you lot to do that. Hope you like this video. Please drop your favorite option in comment section below. Do thumbs up. Please share with your friends. Catch up in next video. Once again, take care. Bye.